A square lawn whose side is 56 meters is extended by having 4 semicircular portions on its sides. What is the total cost of the leveling the entire lawn at the rate of 72 rupees per meter square? Means required total cost means first we need to identify the area into what is the per meter square value, 72 multiplied by 72 we are get the total cost means answer must be multiple of 9 multiple. First verify the 9 multiple. First option 9 multiple, no. Second option yes. Third option no. Fourth option yes sir. How many options? 2 options. In that 72 means again it is 8 multiple. Okay, 72 again it is 8 multiple. Already we are eliminated first option and third option, remaining second option and fourth option. Divisible rule of 8 means last 3 digits verification. 608 is divisible by 8. 608 8 7s are 56, remaining 48, 8 multiple. 808 it is also 8 multiple. 2 options are only one. 2 options. If it is only one option, directly we return that value. First, square lawn. Square lawn is extended by having 4 semicircular portions on its side. Means this one are semicircular. It is also semicircular portion. It is also semicircular portion. It is also semicircular portion. Okay, what is the question here? What is the total cost of the leveling the entire lawn? Means we required area of these 4 semicircles or circles? Semicircles. 4 semicircles means it is also considered 2 circles. What is the each one semicircle area? Pi r square by 2. How many semicircles? 4. Then we return 4 into which one? Pi r square by 2. Okay, it is total area of how many lawns? 4 lawns. Every square meter how many rupees are spending? 72. 4 into 4 means 2 how many times here? 2 times or 2 into pi value 22 by 7. What is the radius? Side value 56 means side are 56 means radius is 28. Then we return 28 into 28 multiplied by which one? 72. 7 how many times? 4 times. 22 2s are 44 into 4 means 176 into 28 into 72. Simplify this one, we are get the answer. Area, again area of a square is adding or subtracting? Adding. Already 4 it is 2 pi r square plus square area means a square. Then 2 pi r square it is multiplied by which one? 72. It is not correct, this one is correct. 2 pi r square plus a square into how much value? 72. 2 pi r square means we return 2 into 22 by 7 into r square 28 into 28 plus a square. What is the a square? 56 square. It is multiplied by how much? 72. 7 how many times? 4 times. And one more. Here 28 means it is 7 multiple. 56 also 7 multiple. Individual values are 7 multiple means together value also 7 multiple. Okay. Second option is 7 multiple. Yes. Fourth option? No. Then answer second option. Next question number 2. The thief is spotted by the policeman at the distance of how much? 500 meters. Both are starts running and the thief is caught by the policeman in 25 seconds. If the ratio of their speeds is how much? 3:4. Then what is the time taken by the policeman to travel 1400 meters? Okay. Distance wise, how many meters are less? 500. Time wise, how many seconds are less? 25 seconds. Means we return 500 meters. It is covered in how many seconds? 25 seconds. How many times it is? 20 times. Means it is 20 meter per second. The 20 meter per second, which one speed? Police speed. Means how many parts? 4 parts. 4 parts are 20. What are the 3 parts? 15. That 15 is the speed of which one? T for policeman. What is the first one here? Thief. Thief speed is how many parts? 3 parts or 4 parts? 3 parts. The thief is spotted by the policeman at the distance of 500 meters, but both are starts running, and the thief is caught by the policeman in how many seconds? 25 seconds. 25 seconds. It is wrong. Actually, police and thief both are moving in which direction? Same direction. Distance wise, how many meters are covered? 500 meters. Time wise, 25 seconds. That is equal to same direction. What is the relative speed? One is 3 parts, another one 4 parts. What is the relative speed? 1 part. It is equal to how much? 20 meter per second. 1 part is 20 meter per second. Then thief speed 3 parts is how much? 60 meter per second. And police speed 4 parts is how much? 80 meter per second. What is the question here? What is the time taken by the policeman to travel 1400 meters? Then we required 1400 is covered by policeman. What is the policeman speed? 80. 0 cancel. 8 how many times? 8 17 how much? 136. What is the remaining? 4. 4 means half value. 17.5 seconds. Question number 3. In a container there are 2 liquids A and B in the ratio of which one? 5:9. 56 liters of the mixture is taken out and 4 liters of type B liquid is poured into it. Then the new ratio of liquid B and A thus formed is how much? 2:1. What is the initial quantity of the mixture in the container? Initially A and B are in how many parts? 5 plus 9, 14 parts. How many options are 14 multiples? First option 14 multiples, second option also 14 multiples are not. Okay, then use the general procedure. What is the first one? 5 parts. Second one 9 parts. Total 14 parts. In that 14 parts, how many liters are taken? 56 liters. Every one part 4 liters. 5 parts 20 liters are taken. 9 parts 36 liters are taken. Again 4 liters of type B liquid is poured into it, means plus 4 in denominator or numerator? Denominator. Then ratio of B and A is how much? 2:1. B 2 parts, A 1 part. That is equal to 1/2 or 2/1? 1/2. Simplify this one, we are get the 1 part value or not? Just cross multiplication. 2 5s are 10 parts. 1 into 9 parts, 9 parts. Difference is 1 part. 2 into 20, 40. 36 and 4 difference, 32. Negative 32 and negative 20. What is the difference? 12 or 56? 12. One is 32, another one 20. Difference is 12. One part is 12. What is the question here? Initial quantity of mixture in the container. Initial mixture. Total how many parts? 14 parts. 14 into 12. Sorry. 40. 2 into 20. 40. 40 and 32. Difference is 8. How many parts we need? 14 parts. What is the answer? 1 1 2. Anyone need fourth question? చెప్పాలా చేస్తారా చెప్పాలా? Question number 5. Number of students attended CGL exam The ratio of the number of students attended CGL and CSL exam 5:4. Means 5 parts are given how much? 320. Then we are get the 1 part value multiplied by 4. We are get the CSL value. What is the question here? What is the average number of students attended CSL exam from states B and C together? Okay. And here 17 parts is given how much? 884. Then we are get the 12 parts value. 17 parts is how much? 884. But we required how many parts? 12 parts. 17 how many times? 5 times. Again 2 times. 12 into 52. 624. That is B value. Again we required which one? C. 25 parts is how much? 750. Every one part is 30. How many parts we need? 21 parts. That is 630. Sum will be how much? 1254. But average means divide by 2. What is the answer? 627. Question number 6. Let x be the greatest 5-digit number such that when it is divided by 36, 48, 54 and 90, it leaves the same remainder 23. And what will be the remainder when x is divided by 49? Greatest number of how many digit number? 5-digit number. It is divided by 36, 48, 54 and 90. What is the LCM of 36, 48, 54 and 90? 720. 360 or 720? 360 is not divisible by 54. 362 is 720 or not? LCM is how much? 720. But we required greatest number of how many digits? 5-digit number or not? Then we are concentrate on 5-digit highest number 999 99 or not? It is divided by which one? 720 or not? How many times? 1 time. 720 complete. What is the remaining? 279. Again we return 9 or not? 720 almost 3 times or not? 2160. What is the remaining? 639. Again we return 9 or not? 720 almost 8 times or not? 8 or 9? 8. 8 into 700, 5600. 8 into 20, 160. Total it is 5760. What is the remainder? 39. 639. If you are get the remainder 639 means up to how much value are exactly reduced? 999 minus 639. That is exactly divisible by 720. But every case remainder is how much? 23. We are adding 23 or subtracting 23? Adding 23. 99 minus 39. 60. 60 plus 23. 83. End with 83 or not? Next 99 minus 6. 93. Again 9 or not? 99,383. It is again divided by which one? 49 or not? We are not required that number. Again we required which one? The same number is divided by 49. What is the remainder we are getting or not? 99383 divided by which one? 49 or not? 49 how many times? 2 times. 98 complete. What is the remaining? 13. 138. 138 means 49. 3 times. 3 times means 147. 2 times. 98 complete. What is the remaining? 40 means 403. 403 means 40 almost 9 times or 8 times? 8 times. 320 plus 72. 392 or not? What is the remaining? 11 or not? What is the answer? 11. Next question number 7. Question number 7. In the given figure, PRSQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. O is the center of the circle. Angle QR equal to how much? 126 degrees. What is the measure of angle QSR? First of all, PRSQ is cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle sum is 180. And here angle QR is given how much? 126. What is the S value? Half value or double value? Half value or P value or S value? P value. What is the P value? Half. What is the half of the 126? 63. If it is 63, S value 117. Next question number 8. There are two articles X and Y. Article X is sold 40% profit, Y is sold 40% loss. The cost price of article Y is same as the selling price of article X. What is the overall profit or loss percent? X is sold at 40% profit, but Y is sold at 40% loss. Cost price of article Y is same as which one? Selling price of article X. Suppose cost price of article X we are consider 100%. Selling price 140%. Okay. Selling price of X value, it is also equal to which one? Cost price of Y value. Means cost price of Y is how much? 140%. In that how much percent are loss? 40% loss. 40% loss means selling price is 56 loss. What is the remaining? 84. 84. What is the cost price of X? 100. Cost price of Y? 140. Total cost price? 240. Next, what is the selling price of first one? 140. Selling price of second one? 84. What is the total selling price? 224. Loss or gain? Loss. How much value? 16 upon 240 multiplied by 100. 16 how many times? 15 times. Or it is 1 by 15. 1 by 15 means 6 2 by 3% loss. Or next question number 9. Question number 9. Find the value of square root of 3 cube root of 9, square root of 3 cube root of 9, so on infinity. First of all, this total value equal to which one? X. Okay. Then we are getting x square equal to how much value? 3 into cube root of 9 x. First total value are equal to which one? X. Okay. First left hand side square, it will become right hand side square root, it will become square. Means x square equal to how much? 3 into cube root of which one? 9. Cube root of 9. Again it is equal to how much value? X. Square root becomes square. Means it is x square equal to 3 into cube root of 9 x. Cube root of x. Cube root of 9 x. Then x square equal to, again cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides means x power 6 equal to 3 cube into 9 into how much value? X cube or x? X cube. Actually it is in root or not? It is equal to how much? X. Squaring on both sides means we are getting how much? X square equal to 3 into cube root of 9 x. because in place of this value we written how much? X x square equal to 3 into cube root of 9x, again cubing on both sides, then we are getting x power 6, it is equal to 3 cube into cube root of 9x power how much? 3 that is equal to x power 6 into 3 cube into cube root of 9x power 3 means it is how much? 9x 9x. This one we written x power 6 by x equal to 3 cube into 3 square. X power 6 by x means we are getting how much? X power 5 equal to 3 power 5. X equal to how much? 3 First squaring on both sides, again cubing on both sides. Next question number 10. Anita invested X rupees in scheme A at the rate of 20% per annum, compounded annually for 3 years. After 3 years, it will become 777.6. Find if the same principal is invested at simple interest for 4 years at the same rate of interest, then what is the interest earned by Anita? What is the compound interest? 20% for 3 years, 72.8%. Interest 72%, 72.8%. But amount is how much? 172.8%. 172.8%. That is equal to how much value are given? 777.6. But required same principal is invested simple interest for how many years? 4 years. Same rate of interest or different one? Same rate of interest. What is the rate of percent? 20%. 4 years means 80%. Interest in second case how much percent? 80% are required. What is the question here? Interest earned by Anita. We required 80%. 777.6, 9 multiple. Yes, how many options are 9 multiple? 2 options are 4,500 is exactly divisible by 8. 4,500 it is divisible by 8. Yes. What are the last 3 digits? 500. 8 6 are 48. What is the remaining? 20. 20 is not divisible by 8. Means third option not possible. What is the remaining? 3,600. 600 is exactly divisible by 8. Then answer fourth one. Next question number 11. There are total 5 stones. The weight of first stone is 150 grams and the weight of second stone is 30% higher than the weight of the third stone, whose weight is 40% higher than the weight of the first stone. What is the first stone height? What is the first stone weight? 150 grams. Second one is depends on 30% higher than the third one. But third stone whose height is 40% higher than the which one? Weight of first stone. What is the first one? 150. 40% means 60. Means third one is how much? 210. 210. Second one compared to first. Third one, how much percent or more? 30% more. What is the 30% of 210? 63. 210 plus 63. 273. Next. The fourth stone is 360 grams. Fourth one is how much? 360 grams. It is 25% lighter than the which one? Fifth stone. Okay, means fifth stone are 100%, fourth stone are 75%. What is the ratio? 3:4. 3 parts are 360, 4 parts are 480. Okay, what is the question here? Difference in the average weight of 3 heaviest and 3 lightest. Heaviest means top 3 higher values. What are the top 3 higher values? 480, 360, 210. Sorry, 273. 480 plus 360, 840. 840 plus 273. 840 plus 273. 1110 plus 300. Nothing but 1113. 3. Average means divide by 3. Next, 3 lightest. 3 lightest means 150, 210, 273. 150 plus 210, 360. 360 plus 273, 663. Divide by 300. The required average difference or sum difference? Average difference. First of all, 1113 and 663. What is the difference? 0, 11 minus 6, 5, 10 minus 6, 4 by 3. What is the answer? 150. Next, 12th one. In the figure, AB is parallel to which one? CD. And angle AEF equal to how much? 35. Angle FGD equal to how much? 132. And what is the measure of reflex of angle EFG? It is not 132, it is 126. It is 126. In diagram, it is already given 126. FGD, how much value are given? 126, not 132. What is the G total value? 180. In that 126 complete. What is the remaining? 54. 54. Okay. 54 plus 35. 89. Means this F value must be equal to sum of the 35 plus 54. How much? 89. Okay. What is the reflex angle of F? Out of 360, we are subtracting which one? 89. Then value 360 minus 89. What is the answer? 271. Left side, F value nothing but sum of the which one? 35 plus 54. How much? 89. Out of 360, this one are 89 means what is the remaining angle? 360 minus 89. Reflex angle means it is subtracted from which one? 360 minus 89. What is the answer? 271. Next, 13th. Arjun and Ashok take a part in 1000 meters race. Arjun runs at 10 km per hour and Arjun gives Ashok start of 100 meters and still beats him by 40 seconds. What is the speed of the Ashok? And here Ashok take part in how many meters race? 1000 meters race. Arjun gives Ashok start of how many meters? 100 meters. Means Ashok and Arjun. Ashok how many meters are covered, or Arjun how many meters are covered? Arjun gives Ashok start of 100 meters. Means Arjun is how many meters? 1000 meters. Ashok how many meters? 900 meters. 900 meters. What is the Arjun speed? 10 km per hour. What is the Arjun distance? 1000. We are get the Arjun timer. We are get the which one time? Arjun time. What is the Arjun distance? 1000. What is the Arjun speed? 10 into 5 by 80. Because kilometer per hour converted to meter per second. 10 into 5, 50. 0 cancel. 5 how many times? 20 times. 20 into 18. 360 seconds. 360 seconds. That is which one time? Arjun timer. But here Arjun gives Ashok start of 100 meters and still beats him by how many seconds? 40 seconds. Still he beat by 40 seconds means Ashok how much time are taken? 400 seconds. Arjun beats the which one? Ashok. Time wise how many seconds? 40 seconds. Meaning Arjun covered T seconds, Ashok covered T plus 40 or T minus 40? T plus 40. Means Ashok time is how many seconds? 400 seconds. But we required which one speed? Ashok speed. What is the Ashok distance? 900. What is the Ashok time? 400 seconds. Then we are get the Ashok speed or not? What is the Ashok speed? 900 by 400 and it is meter per second. But all the options are given in kilometer per hour multiplied by 18 by 5. 2 zeros are cancelled. 2 2s are 2 how many times? 9. 9 9s are how much? 81. By 10 means 8.1 kilometer per hour. If Arjun covers 1000 meters, Ashok covered how much? 900 meters. But Arjun's speed is given how much? 10 kilometer per hour. Then Arjun how much time are taken? 360 seconds. But Arjun beats by Ashok how many seconds? 40 seconds. Then Ashok time is how many seconds? 400 seconds. 400 seconds how much distance are covered? 900 meters. Per second means 900 by 400. But converted to kilometer per hour. Next question number 14. If both 5 square and 11 cube are factors of the number a into 6 cube into 11 square into 17 cube, then what is the smallest value of per a? What are the common values? 5 square and 11 cube. And here a into 6 cube into 11 square into 17 cube. 5 square is the factor of which one? This number. 11 cube also factor of this number. What is the question here? Smallest value of which one? A. Smallest value of a means a must be either 5 square into 11 cube. But here already which one? 11 square. What is the common value? 11 or 11? 11. Then answer a equal to how much? 5 square into 11. Already factor 11 cube. What is the second term here? 11 square. Means a must be 5 square into 11 or only 5 square? 5 square into 11. 11 cube is already factor. And here one term already 11 square means it is multiplied by 11. We are get the 11 cube. Means a must be how much? 5 square into 11. What is the answer? 275. Next question number 15. To do a certain work, the ratio of the efficiencies of P and Q is how much? 5:13. Working together, they can do the same work in 30 to 1 by 2 days. P and Q work together for 26 days. R alone can complete the remaining work in 16 days. R alone can do 75% of the original work in how many days? What is the P efficiency? 5 parts. Q efficiency? 13 parts. Working together can do the same work in how many days? 30 to 1 by 2 days. What is the together efficiency? 18 parts. What is the together time? 65 by 2 days, sir. Yes, sir. 2 how many times? 9 times. 9 into 65, that is total work or remaining work? Total work. And here P and Q work together for how many days? 26 days. What is the 1 day work of P and Q? 18 parts. Those are working for how many days? 26 days, sir. 18 means we return 9 into 2. 9 into 2 means this one we return 9 into 52 or not. What is the actual total work? 9 into 65. First 26 days which one are working? P and Q. How much work are completed? 9 into 52 completed. What is the remaining work? 9 into 30. That is remaining work or total work? Remaining work. That remaining work is completed by R alone in how many days? 16 days. 9 into 13 is the remaining work, but it is completed in how many days? 16 days. Divide by 16, we are get the efficiency or time? Efficiency. Efficiency of which one? R. But R alone can do the 75% of the original work or total work? Original worker. R, just a minute. 9 into 13, how much time are taken? 16 days. But we required 75% of the original worker. 75% of the original work means 75% means what is the fraction? 3 by 4. 3 by 4th of what is the total work? 9 into 65. It is completed in how many days, sir? 13 how many times? 5 times. 9 9 cancel. Any other cancellations? 3 by 4 into 5 into how much value? 16. 4 how many times? 4 times. 4 5s are 20. Into 3 means 60 days, sir. Next question number 16. The population of a state is decreased by 30% and increased by 60% in alternate years. If the population of state in 2010 is 20 lakhs, then what will be the population in 2013? First 2010. 2010 we are consider 100% error. 2010 to 2011, how much percent are decreased? 30%. After decreased 70% error. Again, how much percent are increased? 60%. What is the 60% of 70? 42. 70 plus 42. 112 or not? That is which year value? 2012. Again, we required which year value? 2013. Again, we are subtracting how much percent? 30%. First year 30% decreased. Second year 60% increased. Again, third year 30% decreased. 30% decreased. What is the 10%? 11.2. 30%? 33.6. Subtracting or adding? Subtracting. 12 minus 0.6. It is 8.4. 100 minus 30. 70 or not? It is 78.4% or not? 78.4%. Already we know the 100% value. What is the 100% value? 20 lakhs. But we required which one? 78.4% or 78.4% of how many lakhs we need? 20 lakhs or not? It will be double or triple? Double. What is the answer? 1568 or not? 784 double 1568. Next question number 17. Anyone need? A manufacturer marks the price of an article is 17,920. He sells it to trader at a discount of 28.4 by 7%. The trader gets a further discount of 9.3 by 8% on his net payment. What amount does the trader has to pay to the manufacturer? Okay. What is the market price value? 17,920. In that, how much percent discount are offered? 28.4 by 7%. 28.4 by 7% means what is the fraction? 2 by 7. What is the meaning? Out of 7 parts, how many parts are discount? 2 parts. After discount, it will be 5 by 7 parts. 5 by 7. Again, further discount is how much? 9.3 by 8%. 8 nines are how much? 72. Plus 3 means 75. 75 by 800. 8 into 100. 25 how many times? 3 times. 25 4 times. It is 3 by 32. What is the meaning? Out of 32 parts, how many parts are discount? 3 parts. What is the remaining? 29 by 32 parts. Okay. It is after 2 discounts or after 1 discount? After 2 discount. What is the question here? What amount does the trader has to pay the manufacturer? We required 29 by 32 of 5 by 7 of which one? 17,920 or 32 how many times? 5 times or what is the remaining? 192. 192 means 6 times or 560. 7 how many times? 80 times or 80 into 5. 400 into 29. 11600. If you know the 29th table, verify the 29 multiple. Next question number 19. The internal and external radius of a hollow metallical cylinder are 8.4 centimeters and 7 centimeters, and height are given how much? 12 centimeters. If it's melted and make a wire of radius 3.5 mm, how much length of the wire is done? First of all, internal and external radius of a hollow metallic cylinder. Okay. One is inner diagram, another one outer diagram. Hollow metallic cylinder means outer volume minus inner volume. We are get the which one? only metal volume or only metal volume. Then volume of a metal, it is equal to outer diagram volume, outer volume minus inner diagram volume, that is equal to which one volume? Volume of a metal, and it is melted and makes a wire of radius how much? 3.5 meters. The same volume, it is equal to which one? Again wire are formed, what the wire length are given? 3.5. What is the question here? How much length of the wire is drawn? First we need to identify the outer volume. In that which one are subtracting? Inner volume. Those two difference, it is equal to volume of a which one? Wire. Volume of a wire. In that wire volume, radius already given how much? 3.5 mm. 1 millimeter equal to 1 meter equal to how many millimeters? 1000 millimeters, sir. Okay, 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters or not? If centimeters are converted to meters, then divide by 100. Millimeters converted to meters, divide by 1000 or not? Divide by 1000. What is the question here? What is the length of the wire is drawn? Length of the wire means it is also equal to which one? Height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. First outer volume means we written pi capital R square h minus inner volume means pi small r square h, and both the cases height value same or different? Same. Then we written h into pi into r square minus r square, that is equal to volume of a which one? Metal. Metal volume means we written pi r square, another r we written r1 square into h. Left hand side h value different, right hand side h value are different. Left hand side capital R1 square value are different, right hand side R value are different. Okay, and already we know the capital R value. What is the capital R value? 8.4. What is the small r value? 7. And what is the height value? 12. H is how much? 12. Pi value 22 by 7 into radius of outer one 8.4 square minus 7 square. 7 square. The difference equal to which one? Pi into R1 square into H. Pi means we return 22 by 7 into R1 value. What is the R1 value? 3.55. It is written as 3.5 by 1000. 1000 into 3.5 by 1000 into how much value? H. And here 8.4 minus 7 square. Again it is multiplied by 1 by 100. Right hand side 8.4 centimeter square means we written 8.4 by 100. 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Means 8.4 by 100 into 8.4 by 100. First one. Second term 7 by 100. 7 by 100. How many terms denominator? Into 1 by 100. How many zeros? 2 plus 2. 4. 4 zeros are not. It will become left hand side multiplied by what is the value we written? 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 1000 into 3.5 by 1000 into how much value? H into left hand right hand side it will be 100 into 100. Then we written it will become right hand left hand side 100 into 100 equal to 12 into 22 by 7 into 8.4 square minus 7 square. Okay, simplify this one, we are get the H value. because 5 already cancelled. We are not get the 11 multiple. Okay, 3.5 it is 7 multiple, but here 8.4 7 also 7 multiples are not. First option 7 multiple, no. Second option, no. Third option, no. Fourth option, it is 3.5 3.5. Left hand side, right hand side 8.4 square minus 7 square, difference also 7 multiple or not. Again left hand side 3.5 into 3.5. If it is only one time 7 are cancelled. Again 3.5, it is also 7 multiple or not. Then answer must be multiple of which one? 7. How many options? Only one or not? Third option. Second or third? Nearby values రాస్తారు చూడండి, 21.12 and 21.14. అంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వాల్యూ కావాల్సిందే కదా. డోంట్ డిపెండ్ 7 మల్టిపుల్, క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయండి, అదే వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. 21 పాయింట్ సంథింగ్ వస్తుంది చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 20. Suresh got how many marks? 472 in an examination. Shravan got 65% marks in the same exam, which is 17 marks less than the which one? Suresh. If the minimum passing marks in the examination is 38%, then how many marks did Suresh get more than the passing marks are? First of all, Suresh how many marks are getting? 472. Shravan got 65% marks in the same exam, which is 17 less than the which one? Suresh. Means Shravan marks is how much? 472 minus 17. How much? 455. The same 455 equal to what the percentage? 65% or 65 almost 7 times or 1% equal to how many marks? 7 marks or. If the minimum pass marks in the examination is how much? 38. Then pass marks in the examination 38 into which one? 7. 38 into 7. 7 into 30, 210. 7 8s are 56. Total it is 266. What is the question here? How many marks did Suresh get more than the pass marks? What is the Suresh marks? 472. Pass marks 266. What is the difference? 206. 206.